Hi all, so hope you're learning well. So today's videos we will talk about how to give the multiple and different access in Google Cloud. Just think about it, you're working in a project, I'm managing the project, you want to join my project in Google Cloud and you want to get the access of my project. So what are the different parameter, where you will go and get the access? So we have a topic today, IAM, okay, meaning identity and access management. Most of the cloud have the similar name, where you can go and manage all your authentication, different roles, responsibility, you want to give the access, what level of access you want to give, what are the certain limitation you want a user in a team. Okay, there are certain features like in IAM you have creating a compute engine project, enabling the billing, you can manage the billing also, adding a team member, you have a managed compute engine resource, IAM essential contacts, IAM policy, you have a troubleshooter, IAM policy, privacy and security, audit logs, and many different IAM roles comes under your IAM. So a platform where you can completely control your Google Cloud. Okay, including the billing, access, services, it all comes under that. So you can see here, so you have to simply go and select IAM, okay, and under the IAM, when you select, you will get an IAM admin, okay, and you see that here when you click onto this IAM, and just take an example, this is what my project, my first project, for example, okay, this is what my project, and in this project I want you to add in this project for a different particular roles and responsibility, and I want to assign you some different access level also. So first I will learn how to give the access of your Google Cloud project to someone. Okay, so you simply go to the IAM and you click on to grant access. You can see here. Alright, when you get the grant access, more important, okay, you give the mail ID of that user. For example, I will do one thing, I will just give it Prwatech, okay, @gmail.com, right? Okay, if it is any company, then also you can use it. Okay, this is the mail ID, simply you have to give it. It is also applicable for the organization like .com, prwatech.com, also we can use it. Okay, so now here you go and select the roles, okay, and you can see there are different variety of roles and responsibility we will discuss further. So I'm going to make it a very basic simple example how to give the access of your project to someone. Okay, you go to the basic and simply you select which kind of access you want to give it. You want to give the users, if I want to give you the access of read or write something, and you can access the services, I'll make it simple, you editor. I want to give access just to read the services. No, there's no any such thing, you can make any changes in my project, you cannot access some service, you simply go and read all the services. So you make it simple, a viewer. If you want to give you the complete access, right, even means itself it's called the owner, means you have a complete authentication, what am I having, and certain access if you are thinking that can be you want, so you can give it owner. Okay, right, so you understand this, editor, owner, and a viewer. So I want to make it, if you make it owner, let's for example, if you make it owner, then this mail, if I save it here, then what will happen, onto this mail you will get a mail invitation in which it will mention, hey, this project have sent you the request to access this project with this particular access like a owner, right, and you have to accept the request. Let's for example, let me do it. So I save it and let's see here what happened. I just saved this and now you can see that I have sent the request to this mail ID as an owner, but still you can see that this user have not accepted my request. If user accepted the request, right, this pyramid sign will not show. If it's still showing, means you have not accepted my request, and I will ask you kindly accept my request so you can access this project under this. Okay, again, if you want to make any changes, right? If you want to make any changes, yes, okay, you want to make the changes. No, I don't want to make it owner, I want to, for a certain reason, if you want to make the changes in the roles, you can go and make it as a role here also. You can see here, you can just simply save it, and now it will reflect on your console. This mail is having editor. All right. If you want to delete, if you want to remove this user from your project, you can go and simply and delete and make it save. Okay, now you can see it's completely removed. So this is how, a very basic example I have given to you, how to give the access privilege of your Google Cloud project from IAM, and what are the different rules, what are the different label, what are the changes, and how you can delete the access as well, as simple as it is. Now if you go under this, this is the simple multiple variations also you can have it, right? Now you can put the different condition like you see here. Okay, all right, you can give the resource. Okay, what this resource, let's say you're a developer. Okay, you can write a bit description about this role which you are assigning, and you can set some condition also. Okay, you can set certain condition also. For example, just understand, like a Google Cloud platform, you might be heard about, if you are looking for Cloud Lab of Google Cloud, there's a very famous Quick Lab. Okay, it's a Quick Lab. What happened in that, it will work hour-wise, right? Like a very competitive like examination you are getting. So if you want to take examination on Google Cloud Lab, so Quick Lab is one of the best option. So in that it is a time frame is going on. Let's say you have started the compute engine and the time for the lab started for 1 year. So what happened after this 1 year, automatically it will delete, it will remove whatever work you have done, and automatically it will delete all the instance and set up the time. So for example, I want to make certain kind of lab or certain time of period in which I want to make it login and logout time. Okay, so after 7 p.m. your GCP automatically log out. You don't have any option to work it out. So certain use cases you can come and try, and different access privilege with certain condition you can make it. So which day you want to make it? Okay, you want to make it Monday to Friday. My user wants to access the service Google Cloud Lab, so I will give the Monday to Friday. This time to this time they can access my lab. So certain condition you can come and make it simple, in which time zone, right? UST, what are the days you want to make it? Okay, and if you want to make it, add an or option. You see that many different categories, many different criteria. You want to make it alternative, you want to make it certain weekends, or and operator you have used, right? So certain condition you can come and apply under this access and save it, and the user, when using this GCP, it will work according to this certain condition here. Okay, so there are different level and different access criteria. This is one of this, and if you go back, right, you see that there are certain many roles, right? Let me just give you overview of this part. Okay, it's a very lengthy, so I guess I can continue in my next video. So there are certain conditions which are the different access. In every service you have a admin access, you have a dev access, right? Which are the certain access you want to give. So you can come and check all this certain access criteria, different services for different users. If you want to assign, you can make it from here. Okay, hope it gives you the clarity how IAM work in Google Cloud, and this is how you can protect your cloud access privilege by giving to other user. Okay, hope you learn well. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.